Hello everyone, this is O Anuradha YP deployed at MCC Agartala, Tripura. Today I would like to share with you all a few online resources which one, irrespective of whether you are a student or whether you are a graduate or a postgraduate looking for jobs, or you are a working professional, irrespective of who you are, can very well utilize these resources to enhance your knowledge, to enhance your job skills, or to enhance your competencies. So before I begin to talk about the online resources, let me first say that these problems and these issues and the situations that we are currently facing now should be classified into two, and those are the controllables and the uncontrollables. So let me first share a few things on the uncontrollable. So when we talk about the uncontrollable factors, those factors could be things like when would be the time when everything gets back to normal, where there would be nothing like social distancing, where we can all congregate in public, attending weddings or functions, or when life gets back to normalcy, and things like when would a vaccine for COVID-19 be available. So these are certain things which is not at all in our control, but there are also things which are controllable, and these are things like how we maintain social distance, how we take care of ourselves by wearing a mask, or keeping hygiene, washing our hands, and also things like how do we make ourselves immune by taking proper diet or healthy diet, and more particularly, which is relevant with the resources that I'm going to share you today, how well would you like to utilize your time so that it becomes not a waste of time, but something which would effectively help you to grow in terms of knowledge, like I have said, in terms of knowledge, in terms of job skills, or in terms of enhancing your competencies. So let me now talk about a few online resources. Let me begin by talking about the online resources, which is an initiative of the Government of India. So first, let me talk about the National Digital Library, which is an initiative by the Ministry of Human Resource Development and IIT Kharagpur. And National Digital Library has a collection of 6.5 million books. And it has got e-books which you can read online or which you can download. It has got different collections of audios and videos. And the kind of target audience that National Digital Library caters to starts from school students doing their primary education to postgraduate level students. And National Digital Library is also available in the mobile application form, so one can format, so one can easily download the app and then make use of this available resource by using your smartphone. And if we talk about other initiative of the Ministry of HRD, then we can talk about Swayam. And just today through Instagram, I got to know that a course on retail management has been designed by the IIM, and it is being offered in Swayam. So there are many other courses, many other knowledge that you can get from Swayam also. And then you also have ePath Shala, which is again an online learning platform by the Ministry of HRD, so which has got various reading materials, audios and videos, and where the availability of this materials are also in multiple languages like Hindi and Telugu and Tamil and Bengali and so many other regional languages of India. So these are a few government initiatives. So when we talk about private initiative, then we can talk about some popular platforms like the Byju's, so which has reading materials like video classes and all for students from I think 4th class to 12th class onwards. And this is the part they also have classes which would help one to prepare for graduate level entrance preparation like the GRE, the GMAT, or like CAT and all. And we can also talk about Unacademy, which is also a very popular platform for those people who are wanting to apply for civil service examinations, not just civil service examination, but many other graduate level or higher secondary level government competitive examinations. And Unacademy, of course, also helps one to prepare for entrance examinations like the NEET for NEET after class 12, or JEE for those who wants to get into engineering colleges. So let me next move to some of the international platforms where you can learn courses for free, and of course some courses are paid. So we can begin with by talking about Udemy, which is an online platform which is particularly looking at enhancing the technical skills of people. And we also have like EDX, which is an initiative by Harvard University and Massachusetts Institute of Technology. And we can also talk about iVersity, which is offering all the courses free of course, and which is an initiative by Germany. And the courses are available in German, in English, and in many other global languages as well. And we can further talk about Udacity, Coursera, FutureLearn, and many other massive open online courses platforms. And the very good advantage about these courses is that they have like short-term courses and courses which are also degree, which also offers you degree. And one can learn these courses from the comfort of your home at your own comfortable schedule. And many of these courses are being designed by top class faculties across the world, and which has been designed by top class universities, and sometimes the classes are also being taken by industry experts. Courses are also being designed by industry experts. So all these courses also cater to different types of target audience, from students who are in school to graduate level candidates to people who are already working professionals and are looking to enhance their knowledge and skills to to have better prospects of promotion and appraisal, and for working professionals who are looking to upskill, who are looking to upgrade their skills, who are wanting to learn the latest job skills, and for people who wants to migrate to a new industry or shift to a new career. And the kind of learning opportunities that all these platforms offer, irrespective of whether the ones which are initiative of our country and the ones which are of course the global platforms offer, is quite unlimited. And since now that we are all majority of us are locked down at home, only a few of us has been allowed to go to our workplace and resume our normal duties. I think this is the best opportunity to enhance your skills, your knowledge, and expose yourself to variety of exposure. So this is always a better thing to do than causing ourselves stress and anxiety and frustration, thinking about things which are uncontrollable, like when this COVID-19 is going to get over, or when we can start going to public places like before. So I think I've missed out on a very two common points also, which I would like to further add. So one is of course the government initiative again. So many of the education departments of respective states of India have already initiated with online classes and videos and audios and all for students, and there are also a few states which have now joined this this very thing of starting audio and video classes and online classes with the outbreak of COVID-19. So one can very well utilize this opportunities also. And of course, there's this very common platform which everyone knows, YouTube. So YouTube should not be just used for entertainment like watching songs and movies. So we also have various channels in YouTube which is particularly focused on learning new skills like learning a new language or learning English skills or Japanese, or like if one is prepared to learn coding, or one is prepared to have better knowledge on maybe how to crack UPSC or something like that. So you have various YouTube channels which are particularly focused on specific domains. So this is also another online resource which is very much available. And so when I talked about those resources, which is an initiative of the Government of India, let me also add that the mobile apps for all those online platforms like Swayam and National Digital Library, like I have already mentioned, and ePathshala or maybe Iron Academy or maybe Byju's are all available. And there were courses which were only available in paid mode before the outbreak of coronavirus. So now people are lucky enough that some of these courses which used to be available to you only when subscribed are now available for free. So this is a good opportunity. And another platform which I also would like to further mention is Khan Academy, so which offers all the courses for free. So Khan Academy has gives access to all this knowledge and resources for like a few countries suitable to their education curriculum, and India is also lucky to be one of those countries. And Khan Academy offers classes and videos and learning materials for kids as small as 2nd class to 12th class onwards. And there are also many other interesting topics for which you can find videos and audios which would be something beyond the academic curriculum of the Indian education system. So this is all for today. I hope all of you find this video useful. Thank you all for watching.